In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates on Etsy. 5 minutes. We'll walk through creating a polished digital product in Canva and turning it into a ready-to-sell listing on Etsy. Start by designing your template in Canva. You can build from scratch with free elements or use pro elements if you'll be sharing your design as a template link for buyers to copy. Keep your layout clean, use consistent spacing and fonts, and make sure everything is fully editable so customers can personalize it. Always respect Canva's licensing and avoid reselling assets as standalone files. Next, choose a very specific audience and design with them in mind. Instead of making a generic template, tailor it for a clear use case, like wedding planners, real estate agents, or small boutiques. Match sizes to where the template will be used and include variations that audience commonly needs. Focus on one excellent flagship product first. Once it's dialed in, create multiple color palettes or style variations, modern, neutral, bold, so you can offer a cohesive range without redesigning from scratch. Consistent naming and file organization will save you time later. When you're happy with the design, use Canva's share option and select template link. This generates a unique URL that lets buyers copy the design into their own Canva account. Test the link in a private browser window to make sure it opens as a new editable copy. Create a simple PDF in Canva that includes a friendly welcome, clear instructions on how to use the template link, and any notes on what can be edited. Add quick tips like needing a free Canva account and include a brief support message and usage terms. Design eye-catching listing images in Canva to showcase your template. Use mockups to show pages in context, highlight key features with short captions, and include close-ups of important sections. Keep the visuals on brand and easy to scan. Head to Etsy and create a new digital listing. Upload your PDF as the digital download, choose the appropriate category, and set your processing time to instant delivery. Write a helpful description that explains exactly what's included and how the buyer will access the template link. Use strong keywords in your title, description, and tags. Include the audience, product type, and size so you're easy to find in search. Research competitors to understand quality and pricing, then choose a price that reflects your value. Finally, share your listings on social platforms and keep building related products to grow a cohesive shop.